Hey there mga my loves, Taurus! Yan, no? Taurus, bago tayo magsimula, no? Kung may maririnig kayo mga ingay, no? Sa aking background, no? Yan ay mga noises, no? Ng construction na ongoing ngayon. It's out of my control, pero thank you sa inyong patience and understanding. Mag-focus na lamang kayo sa reading. Thank you so much. So ngayon, Taurus, nabatiin ko muna yung lahat ng hi and hello sa mga newbies, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang support and love. Kung hindi niyo pa po knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan, available din po ang ating timeless daily collective readings dyan sa channel na yan. Channel's name is Dalning, meaning Goddess of the Moon in Korean. So, let us see, no? Content pala natin ngayon is new relationship. What would it look like, no? Yan. So, let us see. So, wala tayong gender. Alam niyo naman yan. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Cross-watchers ni Taurus, of course, welcome din kayo. At kung meron kayong Taurus in your natal or birth chart, pwede rin po kayo dito. So, let us see. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angels and guides and ancestors of Taurus. What would be Taurus' next new relationship would look like? Yan. So let us see. Okay. New relationship for Taurus. Can you please show me? New relationship for Taurus. This reading is intended for Taurus placements, Taurus zodiac sign, cross-watcher ni Taurus. Just take how this resonates. May free will kayo ha, na pwede nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. This reading is for Taurus. Taurus. Okay, Taurus, let us see what messages we've got right here for you guys related to your new relationship. So we have here, 4-card energy. See? Nakapasok na to sa buhay ninyo or papasok na siya. Na nakikita ko dito, no, 0. It's the beginning of one passionate new love. So, nakita tayo rito mga babes, no, ng marami at flamey desires. So, it looks like this is a very passionate connection coming your way, or this could be somewhat here very exciting. You know, yung parang excited kayo palagi, no, just to see this person here. Pero, sino pa bang mas ma-excite, no, dahil yung energy niya ay mas excited pa siya sa'yo. So, let us see. You also have here Six of Cups energy, strong soulmate vibe. No, I'm sensing strong soulmate connection, spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. We also have here the presence of the Four of Wands. Oh my. Lovers card energy. Look at that. Beautiful energies you've got right here for you guys. Also have here this Four of Swords energy here in the wow. The double and the Four of Wands. See, look at that. See, kaka-mention ko na kanina, di ba? May mas e-excite pa ba sa energy niya? Kung excited ka, mas excited siya. So, bottom of the deck we have right here, the Temperance energy, Seven of Swords energy, Eight of Pentacles energy. This is something here that you do not see coming, but this is something here that you prayed for all your life. Your new relationship would be the most exciting one, and yung hihintuan mo na talaga. Temperance energy, this is the person here that you've destined to be with. Eight of Coins energy, this is you. You're working right here with your life, building here your livelihood, your money, your finances, you're growing it, no? Mas nagpipay attention ka ngayon sa iyong trabaho, sa iyo ritong personal na buhay, sa mga hobbies mo, interest mo, no? Sa mga bagay ritong nag-i-enjoy kang gawin, and then, poof, someone here, no? Yung bigla na lang ritong nanakawin ang inyong atensyon. Bakit? Kasi this is someone here that you will feel that instant chemistry right away. Yan, no? And this one's very good looking. Yan, no? Kaya, alam mo yung energy na mababaw lang tong sasabihin kong sunod, pero isa ito sa mangyayari. Kahit gaano ka pa ka-busy, mapapalingon ka day. Yan, no? Or mapapalingon ka, boy. LGBT girls, wala tayong gender dito. Welcome din kayo mga sweethearts. Basta papalingon kayo. Kasi, magagandahan kayo sa kanya, magagwapuhan kayo sa kanya the first time that you will see this person here. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo siya tingnan. Yung iba, maaring titigan nyo pa nga siya rito. Mhm. Yung iba pwedeng ma-double sight pa kayo. Double sight na doble, madodoble yung tingin ninyo. Yung parang, this is the energy here of something na talagang nakuha yung attention ninyo. Ganong klase ng energy dito, no? And for, some reason, you've already encountered this person here. Nagkakilala na po kayo in one of your past lives dito at hindi lang kayo basta nagkakilala, no? Lagi po kayong pinagtatagpo sa inyong past lives bilang mag-asawa. Yan o. So, nakikita ko dito na itong person na to will feel so familiar with you na parang may feeling ka na parang feeling ko matagal ko na siyang kilala. Yan o. May ganun pang klase ng energy. Pero, this is the very first time. Like, this is a brand new guy. Like, hindi mo pa to kilala. This is a brand new woman. Like, hindi mo pa to kilala. But this is the person here that will be so obsessed in marrying you. Yes, you heard it right, no? This person will be so obsessed in marrying you. The first time that you meet this person here, hindi ka na mawawala sa kanyang isipan. Palagi ka nang nakatambay dito, no? Sa kanyang isipan, no? And magiging mabilis dito, no, na makakapasok ka sa kanyang puso. So, you definitely hold that key to this person's heart, Taurus, no? And this person here, yung iba sa kanila, they've already dreamt about you. Nakita na nila ang inyong face. Alam na rin nila yung amoy na yan, naamoy ko na yan. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yun, no? But surely, they've already seen you sa kanilang dreams, sa mga panaginip nila. And if they are not them, it could be you. You might have seen this person here, sa iyong mga dreams, no? Pwedeng yung familiar na amoy na yun, na amoy mo na yun sa iyong dream, no? You've seen him or her, no? You've smelled that familiar na amoy kind of thing. And that's already a sign. That's already a sign, sweetheart. So you might want to spot it out. Okay? So with the Lover's card energy and Six of Cups strongly, this person right here is not something na serendipity or alam mo yun, no? This is not just coincident lang, no? But this is something here na talagang meron kayong connection noon pa lang. At sa lifetime na ito, muli kayong magtatagpo upang maging mag-asawang muli. Sa mga ilang beses na kayong kinasal, hindi nyo alam. Kasi nga brand new individual ito. Tapos meron pa siyang itsura. So para ka talagang nanalo rito sa loto. Ano is that? Kapayapa, parang paipagmamay ba yan? Bobulol. Maipagmamayabang mo siya, no? Proud na proud ka dito, no? Siyempre, bonus na lang yung looks. Pero kasi, you're dealing here with someone na talagang dream guy, dream girl mo. And this is someone here you've destined na makilala ulit, no? So, the history keeps on repeating itself. At nakikita ko dito that this is the type of very addicting relationship for you guys, no? So, nakikita ko dito, no, na kung sino man tong energy na to mga babes, no, una sa lahat, di ko alam kung ba't ko nakukuha rito, pero itong energy na to is palagi siya ritong naliligo, araw-araw, no? So, alam ko matatawa kayo doon, no? Pero kasi yung iba, di ba, hindi, yung iba half bat nang di binabasa yung book, di ba? pero siya maaaring yung klorito araw-araw siyang naliligo, 'di ba? So, maaaring mga babes 'no, kahit amuyin niyo pa yung buhok niya, 'di ba, amoy fresh or amoy baby, kahit amuyin niyo pa yung kilikili niya 'no, or ang kanya ditong batok, yan 'no, amoy fresh. Yan 'no, and maswerte tayo kasi may nakikita tayo ritong initials 'no. Dalawa lang naman 'no, so it could be may letter A siya sa kanyang name 'no, or may letter E siya sa kanyang name. First name man yan 'no, second name or surname 'no, whatever, or you could be embodying 'no, or meron ka niyan sa iyong name. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa iyong oras at panahon. This is your new relationship here, sweetheart, and I love to see this because you will be reunited. This union right here is definitely supposed to happen in every lifetime. So kahit matapos yung inyong lifetime dito ngayon, no, the next time na muli kayo ritong marireborn is magtatagpo pa rin kayo ulit. Wow! So it looks like parang sinusundan ninyo ang isa't isa sa dulo ng mundo kind of thing. And this is something here, no, na truly amazing. So yeah, iwan ko sa inyo itong beautiful message right here, Taurus. Thank you so much. And again, I'm Yan, Sarang Hiya, Love and Light. Annyeong!